Hey, you ever had that one day when you write a tiny piece of code and suddenly the whole universe decides to collapse? Yeah, welcome to my TED Talk. So one day I'm studying peacefully Java on the left, Chai on the right, confidence at 110%, which is exactly when life decides to slap you. I write one line of code, one. My brain goes, this will fix everything. And then server goes, let's destroy his self-esteem. The build fails, locks explode, warnings start multiplying like internet relatives in a family photo. For a moment, I questioned all my life choices. Why I'm here? Why Java? Why not open up Manipuri or some kind of stall instead? But the funniest part, it wasn't even my fault. It was a config someone wrote in 2015. That day taught me the golden rule of engineering. That is, the bug is never where you are looking. It's always where you least expect. And if you keep assuming I'm wrong, you will waste hours of fixing the wrong things. You need a debugging mindset, not just coding skills. People think tech is like writing clean code. Nah, bro, tech is not that. Tech is surviving chaos without crying. So that debugging teaches you patience, problem solving, pattern recognition, and humility, because the bug humbles everyone. So if a code broke something today, congratulations, you just learned more in those 50 minutes than any 50-hour course. And trust me, every good engineer who was forged in the fire of one stupid bug. And that's it. End of this video. I will me Deepak. Bye bye.